for my impromptu challenge of the day, and let's see what the Speak Up app is going to ask me today. Ask me anything. What have you done in the last year that makes you proud? Okay, so the topic is what have you done in the last year that makes you proud? So I did two important things in last year, 2020, which uh, which makes me, I'm not sure whether it makes me proud or not, but definitely I had taken certain steps, and whether success or not, that is something which will come in future. But I'm happy and I'm very proud of myself that not I have taken a decision to implement that. Now what are those two different things? One is definitely I came across this Praveen Vadalkar's sir, entrepreneurship stuff, where we can create e-learning stuff and all that, and that is why I am here, that I'm able to now create videos, I'm able to make videos, I'm learning public speaking, right? So that is one which I did, and I'm really proud that I have taken a step in a direction where I always wanted to do something, where I always wanted to share, help, learn, grow, and I'm able to do that because I'm now learning public speaking, and I'm learning how to create videos, how I can share my ideas, my learning, my experiences to the world. That is one. Another is that I took some challenge because I participated in a as an as an investor in a startup idea, and I'm proud of that because I know it's a very high risk, in terms of money, high risk high return kind of thing. But I did not get involved because of the money aspect. I got involved in this because I wanted to learn and understand and see how the pitch book looks like when a startup idea pitches to different investors. What does the report looks like when every month we look at the different reports, different investments we have done in the different startups, so like-minded people. I would like to network and understand their psyche and their analysis of things and those kind of things. So that was the idea which I did, and I'm pretty happy and proud that I took those decisions, which I was always afraid because of the risks involved. And there is definitely, whatever you do, there is always a risk in that. तो आजकल एक स्कैम 1992 का वो चला ना, रिस्क है तो इश्क है. So yes, I am in love with taking risk also. Of course, I'm taking these calculated risk, but I'm learning. I'm trying to learn something, and that is what my whole idea is all about. Thank you. I'm done for the day. Done for the impromptu challenge.